I think this is a very important moment for the crypto market. Right now, I believe it's a good time to mentally prepare for a bearish scenario on Bitcoin. This video is not about predictions. It's about risk, structure, and staying realistic when narratives get loud. This is not financial advice. I'm simply sharing how I currently see the market and how I approach risk. When I look at the Bitcoin chart, one thing is clear to me. The previous uptrend has been broken. On top of that, market timing and structure suggest downside risk rather than continuation higher. Yes, we can see short-term bounces. Yes, we can see relief rallies. But structurally, the market is no longer in a clean, bullish trend, and ignoring that is dangerous. At the same time, if you listen to crypto influencers, you hear a very different story. You hear words like super cycle. You hear that the bull market is about to resume. You hear that this time is different. What you hear much less about is risk. You rarely hear about invalidation. You rarely hear about what happens if the market goes against you. There are currently more signals pointing toward downside risk than toward a confirmed bullish continuation. But that part often gets ignored. This environment is especially dangerous for beginner investors. Most beginners are not psychologically prepared for drawdowns. They are not prepared for volatility, and they often don't have a clear plan or proper capital management. When price goes down, panic takes over. When price goes up, FOMO takes over. Without a plan, both scenarios usually end the same way, with losses. This is not about intelligence. It's about emotional discipline. Personally, I am currently positioned with a bearish mindset, but I always have two plans. One plan for downside and one plan for upside. Being bearish does not mean being stubborn. It means respecting what the market is currently showing. Capital preservation matters more to me than catching every possible move. For me to seriously start thinking about a bullish scenario again, I would need to see at least two things. First, a clear bullish market structure. Second, a positive global narrative that actually supports risk-on behavior. At the moment, I don't see enough confirmation for that. Waiting for confirmation is not missing out. It's risk management. I want to leave you with one important principle. Warren Buffett once said, "Rule number 1, never lose capital. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. Skepticism in investing is not pessimism. It's discipline." This is how I currently approach the market. I'll share updates as the situation evolves.